SolidWorks 2021, how to change, edit numbers of holes, text, and arc lengths. So basically what this is, if you take a look at the paper here in front of us, it's a set of arcs, and it's some text that I'm saying what the arc lengths are, and there's a bunch of divisions. So I need to go in and edit the number of divisions, and I need to edit the text to say what the divisions and the arcs changed, and I'm also editing the arc lengths and the arc positions. I have to do this about 100 times. So I made this video not for general consumption, just so I remember how to go back and change these guys when I'm creating them. I hope you enjoy it. If you learned something from it, awesome. If not, well, I'm okay with that too. Thanks. Enjoy. Okie dokie. I have to make a ton of these sheets, and they'll print out nicely. So what I'm going to do is, now this is saved as 30 divisions. I'm going to open up my master. Let's say this guy here, open up master, and that's going to be blank again. Then I'm going to turn around and I'm going to save my master as the next number on my list is 31. So I'm going to save this guy as, we'll go 30, change this guy to 1 here so I don't have to retype everything in. 31, save. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my letters, edit, there we go. Move this guy over, I'm going to change this guy here to 31. So now it's 31 division, so I need 31 holes set in here. My first arc is going to be 36. We'll make this guy here 50, I guess. 51 maybe? Yeah, 51. 95, we'll go 92. And we'll say 220, we'll say 239. Oopsie, too many numbers in there. Then we'll say 239, we'll say 70. And we'll say 25. That'll be all different. So I gotta write these numbers down. So 36 to 51, 92 to 239, 270 to 325. Now you won't see these numbers when I'm editing, but these arcs here, the beginning of this arc needs to be 36, the end of this arc here needs to be 51, the beginning of this arc here needs to be 92. You get the idea, right? So now I need 31 holes in here. So let's do this one next. So we're going to say okay, we're going to agree to that. Boom. That guy comes up here. So now I need to edit this guy. So I'm going to go into my hole divisions here, and I'm going to edit this. I believe I edited this hole. I go up to linear here. I click on the hole. It allows me to go this way here. So I need 31 holes. So this piece of paper here is going to be 11 inches divided by 31 holes. And I need 32 spots. So this hole here, to see if it's in the right spot, will end perfectly in the center right here. So let's take a look and see. We zoom in here, and it ends perfectly on the end. And then if you count from here to here, there'll be actually 31 holes. And when this piece of paper folds over the drum, it'll be in the same spot as the other one. So we'll go yes, and they should all be holes. Boom. So now I've changed, so far I've changed my lettering, I've changed my hole pattern. Now I need to change my arc pattern. So let's go into arc and let's edit this so that my sketch comes up here. So to the first hole, each one division is 0.030555 per degree. So I'm going to multiply that by the amount of degrees to this first half of the arc, and since this is drawn here and then the tags come from here, what it's going to do is when I alter this, this whole thing's going to move, and since these are gripped to the tangent points, it's going to shrink and contract as per what we need here. So let's edit this here. So I am going to say our first number is going to be 36. So I'm going to go 0.030555 times 36. 36 degrees. Boom. Now my second one here, I'm going to go 0.030555 times 51 degrees. Okay, that did not work now, did it? So let's undo this guy here. There must have been a mistake in the first one. So let's undo the first one as well. So let's go here. 0.030555 times 36. Okay. This guy here is this one. That up a bit, get it out of the way. 0.030555 times 51 degrees. Boom. So there you go. That's a nice little arc there. Beginning of our second hole. Oh, I should have double tapped that. There we go. 0.030555 times 92. There we go. 0.030555 times 23 or 239. This guy here. 0.030555 times 270. And this guy here is going to be 325. 0.030555 times 325. Okay, do that. And we have all of this done here. So now go save as. I believe we already have it saved as that. I need to see what this guy actually says. Go save as. And yes, it's saved as 31. Boom. Yeah, we'll save over top of that guy. And that is how we changed our divisions, edited our title, and changed our arc position. This video was a reminder for myself on how to do these edit changes. This was not meant for the general public or general consumption. If you learned something from it, great. The only reason why I put it up was because when it's on the channel, I know exactly where it is and I can find it again. Thanks again. If you enjoyed it, hey, leave a message in the text box. If there's something I can help you out with SolidWorks, let me know and I'll see what I can do. Thanks. Have a good night.